Hi, I'm Daisy, welcome back to Makeup Revolution's YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to do a video on one of my favourite palettes in the range. I'm going to do some looks with this Flawless palette. One, how gorgeous is this packaging, like rose gold, love it. You've got all the shades on the back for you to see, but this is the size of the palette. You get 32 eyeshadows in this palette, which is a lot of eyeshadows to play with. So then inside, this is what the palette looks like. I mean, how gorgeous are all those shades? They're kind of your essential shades that you need in your eyeshadow kit. I absolutely love this palette. For an all year round palette, there's a colour for every season and every event. So you could create so many different looks, but I'm going to show you two looks that I love creating with this palette. One is a very bronzy, goldy, natural smoky eye look, and the other is a purple and black intense smoky eye. So let's get on with the looks. So I'm first off going to start with this warm brown shade here for my crease, and I'm going to apply it with this E103 blending brush. I'm just going to pop that on the outer corner there, and then just take it into my crease. So I'm just blending that so it's really soft and natural. There's no harsh lines. And then just going in with another coat. It's really important to spend time blending. This is what's going to give you that professional finish. I'm now going to take this dark brown matte shade and I'm going to pop this into the outer corner here with this metals brush. So I'm just taking that right into the outer corner and into the crease there, just to darken it a bit. Now I'm just going to take the shade underneath the eye. And now I'm taking my flat dense brush and I'm going to take this beautiful bronze shimmery shade, pack a lot of colour onto my brush and just pat that onto my eyelid. You can really see how beautiful this colour is. It's just so pigmented, it just looks amazing on. Now just to finish the look, I'm taking my eyebrow brush and I'm taking this light golden shade here just to illuminate the inner corner of my eye. Just dabbing that on here. And that's a really simple look using the Flawless eyeshadow palette. For this look, I'm again going to start with this brownie shade for my crease. So I'm just going to work that in from the outer corner into my crease here. And now I'm going to go in with the same brush and just go over that with this beautiful deep purple shade. I'm just taking this all over the eyelid, a little bit more lightly than I have with the crease. I'm now going to take my metals brush and I'm going to take the deep black shade. I'm going to work this into the outer corner and then work my way in. So I'm just patting that on. As with any black eyeshadow, you do get fallout because it's so intense. So I will just tidy this up after. Now I'm taking this black shade again on my eyebrow brush. I'm going to take this underneath my eye. And then just taking my blending brush and just blending this out. And then this is your dramatic smoky eye. So they were my two looks using the Flawless palette. I absolutely love this palette, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Also let me know which look you preferred and if you're going to try it out as well. Also, if you have done a look using this palette, make sure that you Instagram it and tag us in it because we love to see your looks. So as always, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please click the thumbs up button below. Also, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. If you haven't subscribed, why not? Thank you for always giving us your feedback below and commenting. It really does mean a lot and it helps me create videos that you want to see. So have a really good week and I will see you next Monday. Bye. I mean, it looks like you've just kind of dived under the sea. All of those colours are just beautiful. You've also got the option to go for a darker eye if you're not too keen on going for a bright eye too often. There is mostly shimmery shades in here because obviously a mermaid loves shimmer. So this is Mermaids Forever and I'm going to swatch it for you now.